And the sunshine has been fairly limited today. I'm afraid to say there's even less of it tomorrow. Join me later in the programme for a look at that and for the rest of the week.
You can remember the Tour de France, great fun, camping out with two of our camera crews in a Winnebago on home moss.
Sounds very, very glamorous.
Romantic, it wasn't.
The weather hasn't been too bad today, has it? Tomorrow doesn't look, yeah, it could be better. I'm talking in romance, you'll remember I got married here, didn't I, in Knaresborough? So the boat's brightening up conditions on the river Nid there. And the second picture, now I'm sure you'll correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm told when it comes on, it'll take it, that this is bog cotton in bloom there near Halifax. Looks lovely. I think it looks a bit like cotton wool's just been strewn all over the place, but bog cotton apparently in bloom. You can get your pictures coming into the Weather Watchers page, or we're on social media as well. Keeley.Donovan on Instagram. Doesn't look great for tomorrow. A lot of cloud in the forecast, quite blustery conditions too. And after some early rain, that will clear away, but there will be some dampness around, particularly over the hills throughout the day. The better chance of some brightness actually as we go through the day on Thursday, along with some showers, but it will be windy. You see those tightly packed isobars. And then some uncertainty on Friday, but this weather system will push up from the south, bringing outbreaks of rain through the middle part of the day. And the weekend looks a bit mixed, but it's a long way off. So the satellite picture shows some bright breaks in the cloud. It's been fairly limited. We might actually see some better breaks as we head into the evening for a time before this band of rain moves in from the west. It'll spread east with a wet old night to come. Plenty of surface water and spray by tomorrow morning, but because of all that cloud, temperatures won't drop too low, down to around 10 or 11 degrees. The breeze starting to pick up as well. Your high water times all around 2 to 3 o'clock, 3 minutes past 3 in fact at Bridlington. So we'll start the day cloudy, outbreaks of rain moving away, that main body of rain moving away, but leaving behind misty, murky, damp conditions. And that dampness continuing at times across the hills in particular. The odd pocket of light rain or drizzle further east, but generally a drier story, but a legacy of cloud for much of the day. A noticeable breeze coming up from the southwest, and temperatures a couple of degrees below average for the time of year. We should be at around 20 degrees, so 16 or 17 degrees underneath the cloud with the breeze will feel cool. I think the best part of tomorrow could be tomorrow evening. Some brighter skies spilling down from the north before the sun sets. And then as we move into Thursday, I think there'll be a bit more brightness around, some spells of sunshine, but a windy day to come on Thursday with a few showers. And then that band of rain pushing up from the south for Friday. Not romantic at all.
Has anybody told the weather is July?
It's awful, isn't it? I do apologise.
Thanks for sounding optimistic anyway.
Hello there, good evening. The sunshine very limited tomorrow. There'll be a lot of cloud around. It'll be quite blustery too. And the early rain will clear, leaving some dampness on and off through the day, particularly for the hills. On Thursday, a brighter day. There'll be sunshine, but also a few showers around. And on Thursday, you can see from the isobars, it will be windy. So outbreaks of rain steadily moving in from the west, becoming persistent and at times heavy through the second half of the night. Temperatures underneath all that cloud only dropping back to around 11 or 12 degrees. And so we'll see that main body of rain clear away, but leave behind a legacy of cloud, mist and murk across the hills. It should dry up for most places, but there still could be some drizzle, particularly across the hills, and the odd pocket of that light rain or drizzle making its way further east at times. Temperatures tomorrow reaching 16 or 17 degrees. Tomorrow evening, though, looks brighter, hopefully some sunshine and some sunny spells on Thursday too, along with a few showers and quite windy conditions, rain spreading up from the south for Friday.